Recording.
Wait, no.
What?
This is the first time I see shit like this.
Even your OBS is sanctioned. Hello, Haix.
Hello.
How are you doing, Haix?
I survived sanctions. I survived civil war. I'm not gonna survive today, obviously.
You're in the midst of a civil war. We are therefore going to be opening cases, because that's what we do best. I can see now in your room that you are, now not in your normal setup, you're in the nuclear sub. You can see the blue light. Are you looking for the Titanic? Why do you have a bottle of brown piss in the back?
Oh, really? My favorite.
What we're going to do today is we are going to be opening 500 Dreams and Nightmare cases, which is very cool. And this is a case battle, which means whoever opens the most value wins all of the skins at the end, which is very nice.
Fucking kill me.
And speaking of skins, Haix, do you know where I'm gonna get my skins if we don't pull something? On Skins Monkey, today's sponsor! They're one of the best and easy to use trading sites for CSGO, and it's perfect for switching up your inventory to play with new skins, especially now for CS2. And by clicking the link in the description or using code Anomaly, you get a deposit bonus of up to 35%, which is insane. And if you're making your first trade, you can also put code Anomaly and you get up to $5 for free. Plus, they've got many nice extras like freebies for free skins and free balance and 24/7 support. So if you want to try them out, then please do so from the link in the description. And thank you once again, Skins Monkey, for sponsoring this video. Do I see your screen? Wait, how do you?
I already opened.
You already opened the what? 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 There's no way. Okay, listen. How did you open that from the first one?
Oh, by the way, this is my food.
Is it just meat?
I don't know.
Why do you have a game ban, by the way?
No comments.
This is my first case, okay? 500 case battle versus Haix the aggressor. Let's go. Yeah, yeet. Oh. You have a steering wheel. Are you practicing to drive tanks?
Oh my fucking god.
Haix is spending his last YouTube money before the Wagner group takes him.
Oh my fucking god.
I guarantee you that AK is gonna be the best thing you open all day. And I think me as well. The best thing we can get from this case is literally butterfly emerald or... No way! Fuck. POV, the last thing Haix sees when the Wagner group kicks open his door and they scream, Spetnaz! Rotjeball! This is you.
Incredible.
I mean, what the fuck? How lucky are you?
Rapid eye.
Haix, I chose to wear the black mask today.
You're like Michael Jackson, you know?
Michael Jackson waking up in the morning. He's like, should I be white today? Should I be black? Should I touch kids? I don't know. So many choices. Last the first 20. And I have pulled absolutely nothing, and Haix has pulled 2 reds and 1 pink. Look, I have even my little friend here, look, and he's lighting up, you see?
I also have my little
No, don't. Hey! If he lights up, I will be very confused. Oh wait, factory knew it was. This one might actually be worth a little bit, let me see. 10.6 euro. You're still in the lead, but I'm crawling my way back. Ah! This is me crawling. I'm so old. 20 more, baby, let's see.
Oh.
How? How much is it? 30 euro. I am mega losing. Peace.
I'm wasting all of my luck opening this
My
shit.
like. I am wasting all of my like.
Talking about likes, guys, make sure to like this.
No, I missed it.
What is happening with your light?
I don't know what's happening with your country.
Okay.
This battle's gonna be completely one-sided. You're gonna pull everything, and I'm going to pull absolutely nothing. I bet you're even gonna get a knife soon.
Honestly, am I the, like...
Gayest friend I know? Yes. I've been waiting for you to come out for a while. There's no way you have that hairstyle and you're straight, Haix. I'm sorry. Page up, page down, page up. I saw the red. It's working. It's working.
Is it?
What? It's working! What? We got the same thing! What? Where is our knife? We are owed a knife at this point. Haix, be honest. When was the last time you had a Coca-Cola?
Oh.
Yeah.
ADHD moment.
Yeah, ADHD TikToks when they have like someone's playing GTA driving a car and then it's Andrew Tate in the corner saying something and then it's like Subway Surfers in the bottom left and the American propaganda.
Yeah. American average day in America. Woke culture. Wake up, eat McDonald's, learn propaganda, eat McDonald's, go learn LGBTQ, eat McDonald's, go to shoot school.
What the fuck?
Oh no, the Matrix is attacking me. Oh, this guy's a genius.
Just oh my god, Nay! No. Oh my god! his mom to look at his new knife.
Is knife above 1,000 euro or no?
No.
No?
Do you know how much it's worth?
800, 600, no?
I think it's like 700.
Is it?
No, you fucking idiot! It's way more! Are you kidding?
How am I supposed to fucking know? Are you retarded?
It's 212,000 rubles.
Okay.
Fuck
That's
off,
kinda good.
please! I haven't even opened the pink yet!
This looks very good in game though, by the way. Like, pretty green.
Did they sanction your FPS as well? Because I see your stream is like 2 FPS.
Do you need this or no? For video?
What? You fucking won. What do you mean?
No, I haven't won yet.
I haven't won yet. I'm pretty sure that is quite literally maybe the second best item you can get from the whole case. And I got a zombie offensive. Haix, I fucking love you, man. How the fuck did you open an emerald right now?
I don't know. Good content though, right?
I have literally never opened an emerald. Haix sold his skeleton slaughter to buy these cases to be in the video. That knife was around 1,000. Now you have all of your cases left, and all of my cases left, and a knife that's double the value.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Man.
Oh.
Oh, what? That's okay. Alltså, jag... Can I light myself on fire?
For content, no?
No, just to die. No, wait, I have gotten a pink. I was lying. But on that same case, you did also get a pink, so it just cancelled itself out. Great success. Oh, stat track rapid eye movement. Wow, there you go, Haix.
But to be fair, I haven't unboxed a knife for over 1.5 years.
That's insanely lucky, Haix. Congrats, man. I still can't fucking believe it.
Me kinda me too, man. I don't know.
Me too, man.
But I want you to unbox a knife also.
So you can steal it, you fucking bastard?
I want second knife now.
Least greedy case opener.
Well, you know what they say, luck favors the fuck or whatever.
Who says that? Russian education. Haix in like 2060 telling his grandkids, look at my medals from being in the war. Grandpa war hero. It would appear it's me who's eating gravel for dinner, Haix, not you.
Well, it would appear so.
Did you just open that one, by the way?
Yeah.
Fuck you. Wait, look to the side. With that hair, you look like a lesbian 40-year-old woman.
What?
My fucking will to get a knife is gone, bro. Why do I speak like an Italian? If I get one, I know it's just gonna go straight up your ass.
My ass?
I need to open like literally 10 regular knives from this case to be as good as your knife. There's maybe like 5 knives that I could get that would be more than yours, but they're all extremely rare.
Bro, after unboxing something expensive, it just feels like your luck is like reset, you know, only opening blues.
Haha, now you know what I've been feeling all day.
But you know what they say? Once you
Shut the fuck up!
once you fuck, you never go luck.
Remember that if you're opening cases. Once you fuck, you never go luck, okay? Russian proverb from Haix himself. Passed down from babushka to babushka, generations.
Ah, Ilya, I've wanted to tell you your whole life. Once you fuck, you'll never go luck.
Good luck.
Oh, Haix, I found your eye.
Lol. Very funny.
Thank you. I'm gonna be honest, Haix. Your knife is extremely good, but you are not getting almost any skins from me. I haven't opened one good thing. I've opened a few pinks, and that's about it.
Why do I have a feeling it's about to change?
So you think it's going to suddenly change out of the blue? Just like Chris from Mr. Beast?
Okay. I just don't believe that it can't be that one-sided. Surely that someone's like rigged for you, no?
Surely, yeah, surely they'll rig it for me.
No way they're gonna support the terrorists, right? Then it would be...
Oh my...
Bro, this is the most battle-scarred thing I've ever seen in my entire life.
Battle scarred. My first red of the day, Haix. How much is it worth? 3 euro?
Oh, I still have a feeling that there's gonna be one more knife.
I just highly doubt that.
You need to believe. You need to have positive vibes.
The only thing positive?
HIV test, yes. To be honest, I'm only looking at your screen.
Why?
I don't know, I just want you to unbox a knife, so you would feel happy.
I don't think I can ever feel happiness again. This was by far the best item that has ever been pulled in a case battle. Miles better than anything else that's ever been pulled. I have 10 cases left now.
How do you have 10 cases? How did you open... What?
Because I'm tilted. Ay.
But what if?
Let's see. Haix, this is your last case. Unlucky. Okay. Are you ready for my last case?
Yes.
This will be the decider. There is a very, very, very small chance that I can still win. Whoopee! The best item I opened was this.
3 euro.
You opened 4 reds and a Huntsman Emerald. GG.
Guys, if we get this video to 7 likes.
7 likes, Haix will vlog on the front line. Spetnaz och råttjeball!